You look like a do-it-yourselfer. What is this?
It's my custom downpipe.
Downpipe?
Absolutely.
What are you doing?
Pie cuts?
No. Tight radius 93-inch mandrel bend. You working on charge pipes?
A little bit.
180 aluminum? You need some more exhaust. 2.5 inch. What about an aluminum multi-bend?
You can do a lot with that.
All right, there you go. You need one more for your charge pipes there. 4 inch?
You guys got 4 inch?
4 inch 90, 4 inch 45, and one more. What's up, guys? Tyler V at ZZP here. We are proud to announce that we are expanding our Universal and DIY section of the website with our Universal CNC mandrel bends. All of our ZZP Universal bends are made in-house with our CNC mandrel bender. You'll get the same quality bends that we use in our exhaust systems, like our ATS-V exhaust, our Sonic 3-inch exhaust, or we offer aluminum bends as well. Right here we have a stainless 2.5-inch 45-degree bend. Or maybe you need a 3-inch tight radius 90. Or if you're working on charge pipes, here we have a 2.5-inch aluminum 90-degree bend. So head on over to ZZPerformance.com for all your universal fab needs. Don't forget your flex pipes and flanges.